Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the browser so ads stop at the source. Update your browser immediately to get the latest security fixes because outdated code lets ad scripts run. Once updated, enable the built-in pop-up blocker and turn off site notification requests to stop permission prompts. Then install a trusted ad block extension. Pick one with good reviews and whitelist only sites you trust. These steps reduce most ad pop-ups instantly and set a strong baseline for deeper cleanup. Next, you dig deeper to remove persistent ad sources. Go to your extensions page and remove or disable any add-on you don't recognize, because malicious extensions often inject ads. Run a full anti-malware scan with a reputable tool to find adware and PUPs. Make sure real-time protection is on. Once done, clear cache and cookies to eliminate stored ad scripts, and if redirects or pop-ups persist, reset browser settings to default to remove hidden configuration changes. Finally, you secure the network and verify the fix. Inspect your system host's file and your router's DNS settings for unauthorized entries and restore defaults if you find unknown values, because ad servers can be redirected there. For ongoing protection, enable DNS-level ad blocking. Use a Pi-hole or a secure DNS service that filters ads. Once configured, test in a private window and on another device to confirm ads are gone. If ads persist, reboot the router, run a safe mode scan, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.